since you guys will not let me rest, you will not let me rest by asking me what is the measurement of the material I use. So I began to go around with my tape rule, because you know this head wrap thing, I can actually remember just anytime to tie any style. So, and I wouldn't want a situation whereby I will not measure that material. So here's my tape rule. I know the tailor now not turn into this. Okay now, but I don't mind anyways. So this is the width of the material, and here is the length. Length is usually longer than the width, if that is making sense. So tailor in the house, if I'm wrong, correct me. It's my people that told me to tailor songogo. But you know, we move. So we are going to measure the length first. So the length of this Ankara material is okay. Let's go. Let me go. So the length of this Ankara material is 44, which is probably longer than a yard. I think a yard is 36. Yeah. So but this is giving me 44. But if you have a yard, it's fine. So let's measure the width of the material. The width is giving me, hold up. The width is also giving me 34. Yeah. So the width is giving me 34 and the length is giving me 44. Am I right? Well, you heard me earlier, right? That's the correct one if I'm wrong here. So that is the measurement for this Ankara material. And we're going to be using it to tie this beautiful style. Okay, let me show you this. I'll place it on my chest so that you can see what this girl is doing. You see? You fold. And you're gonna fold again. And you're gonna fold again, right? We have it in one stand like this. Don't worry, I'm coming. So make sure it is neat. Now, maybe you say wulu to the answer. It's your hobby. No do wulu for you. So make it straight like this and come again like this. You fold it again, and you have these. You have these. You see how smooth it is. You see how smooth this is. Yeah, that is what we want here. So once you get this right, it's going to work. Just help me to grab it and place it like this. Place it like this, no problem. This does not cause for alarm, only if you don't want to try it. This one, it doesn't cause for alarm at all. So just take it like this, cross the hand. You know how to cross, have you? So take one out of the two, round and round, and my dear, look for a place. Look for a place to secure it like this. Look for a place to secure it like that. But if you have a wider material, you want to cover the middle part of your hair. You see this one that is secure here, you just use to bow to cover it, I mean, right? And secure the essence. That's my darling. One that we have like this. Just come and stretch it out. You know we folded everything before. Definitely we can stretch it out. So stretch it out. Stretch it out. And my dear, you come like this. When you stretch it out, you see I directed to the back. Stretch it like this. Arrange it. If it cannot reach this hole that you will be able to dip it in, like my own, it stops here. We go grab a pin and secure it there. Let me pick a pin. I've gotten my pin and this is it. You see? Just pick one part here. See your pin. Grab it and use it to hold it. Hold it like that. No alarm, have you? So this is standing already. Let's come like this. Again. Okay. If you notice, this one too cannot go to the back. So it's stopping here, no problem. Let it stay here. It's good. Grab your pin and get it secured. Grab your pin and get it secured. Let me grab my pin. And I'll secure this one soon. This one too is secured. And now it's time for us to adjust. Just adjust. Nothing serious. And this is giving nice look already. Nice look already, my dear. Nice look. This tape, I don't know what it's doing here. Okay. While doing this, I noticed that the material is short, and we can't try that with this. So, if you have this kind of measurements, you can only tie this type that your hair will be open at the middle. Do you get? But immediately I'm done with this, I will run and go and get that material that you can tie. You can use to tie the one that will, cover the middle part of your hair. So look out for that one too on my page, so I can show you how you can cover the middle part if you don't want it to open. So this is the final look for this one. And what guys will you rate this? What will you guys rate this? I said, what guys will you rate this? English. So what will you guys rate this? Rate it over 10 in the comment section. Rate it over 10 in the comment section. Yeah. So I will see you guys on my next one. Enough of this day. Bye.